So today I'll talk about this page insights. Page insights is the thing where you will know about your page and then your page likes, views, and all, and also about your page audience, how they are performing, and how they are interacting with your page and all. Okay, then this page insight you can access for 28 days, or you can see for 7 days, or you can also see for only the previous day also. And the maximum you can go up to 2 years. Beyond that, you cannot go. Okay, for this information. And then to go to this page inside, either you can see it on the news feed, like how it is there on my news feed, or you can go to this left hand menu and then you can scroll down, and then here you can see these insights here, and then you can bring it up. And then when you open this page insights, the first thing what you see is an overview. It's a bird's eye view of everything about your page, about your likes, about your reach, and all those things. If you are using your business on Facebook, then these insights are very very important, because this will give you information and then help you to track how your page is doing, so that you can amend all these information for your business, also for your business improvement. So here on this thing, the overview means page summary, where you get everything, a little bit of everything, information of everything. And basically this page insight is divided into three sections. One is page summary, and the other section is the top 5 most recent posts, and then the third one is pages what you can watch. Okay, and then on this overview you have ads, the recent ads what you have posted, and then the followers, the people who are following your pages, and then the likes of your page, and then the reach. Reach is the number of people who had seen your page on their timeline. Okay, and then the page views, number of people who had viewed your page. And then page preview is also there, where people will hover on their mouses on your page to see the preview of your page. Okay, and then the actions taken. What are the actions taken, on your page, you had whether they are downloaded, and then shared, and then what actions you have taken on your page, and all those things. And then the post is about the post of your page, and again this post is again divided into, if you click on this post, these posts are again divided into 3. This is the detailed summary of your post, like how your fans are doing, and what are the post types, and then the top posts that were watched. Okay, this will give a detailed summary of your how your fans are reacting and all those things. And then and also again, this is the post summary, and then the next one will come, the top posts from your page to watch, how it reached, like see this one, your details of your post, and then if you want to boost them, how many how many people it has reached, what type of post you have posted, and then how many engagements you had got, and then how you can boost your post and all those things. And then now coming back to this insights only, you have events, any events you have created, and then any movies, any videos, like in a video post you have created, how it reached, how it performed, and all those things. And then the stories, how many people has watched your page stories. And then people, this is also again a detailed information, where you get who are the people who are watching, and then what is the age group, and then at what time they are watching your page, and all the detailed information you get with this page, with this people option. And then the messages, what messages you have got, and how you have replied, and all those things. And the second section of this insight is your top 5, your recent posts. Generally it will give you 5. If you want, you can see all the posts, and then its reach, its engagements, and then if you, and it also advises you whether if you have to boost the post and all. And then the third option is, why it is not showing, pages to add. See here, add pages to watch. And in these pages to watch, you have to add pages which you want to keep a track of your competitors, or it's not only basically competitors, any top performing pages than you in the same industry, which will help you in tracking. And it also provides the insight about those pages, but it will not tell you about how many people it has reached, but it will definitely tell you what are the engagements of that page. So basically you will know, like, what is the content that is making those pages to perform well. Maybe you can use that information, and how your page is performing in relation with those pages. And if your page is old enough, Facebook only will advise you, will suggest you what pages are likely you can follow in that area and in that industry. Okay. And then this insight is like, with these insights, you will see, like, how you're performing your post, like, and how you're performing, if, like, whether people are liking your post with videos, or people are liking your post with photos. You will know, like, how your audience are reacting, your audience reactions also you will know with these insights only. And then, like, what time your audience are active. Maybe, like, you can schedule a post during that time only, so that it will reach, and then you will get maximum likes, or maximum reach, and maximum engagements during that time. And then you can see, like, whether who are your audience, whether it is male or whether it is female, or, like, and all those things. So, like, with this you can analyze, are they your targeted. See, if I'm doing about stitching, or if it is about a beauty parlor, and then the male is watching more, this is not the targeted things you want to target. So you can change the type of your post. Or, like, if you see, like, your post is reaching, and then mostly it is female who is watching it, maybe, like, you can target towards, like, you can, like, whether it is reaching, and then you can make your post record according to them and all those things. And the next age group, like, depending on that, like, whether is that particular age who are you are viewing your page maximum, is your targeted or not. And then you can know, like, likes and dislikes, how many people are disliking your page. You take it in a negative, like, take the negative feedback also. And then if that particular, what is the particular content people are not liking in your page, and then you can amend that page, and then you can perform more about that page. That way you can use the insights in many ways. So how your fans are doing. So this is how you can, it's not only taking the information, you can use the information in improving your business and your page performance. That's it. Thanks.
Really good, really good. I really liked it. Okay, what part I liked more is you covered what all the topics I didn't explain you, like page previews, page views, that and all I didn't explain you, right? But you covered all those things. It means you have explored more about this topic, and the way you explained is really awesome. Good job, Kiran.
Nice. Very nice. You can go for teaching.
Yeah, obviously people will become my competitors one day or other day, definitely. Good job.
Not
Really good job.